Mhm. Guys, make yourself a cup of coffee and join me. Please don't let me eat alone. Haha. Mm. Plantain. There's. Hi guys. My breakfast is really, really good. Mm. You like some bacon? The perfect color. So good. How many of you out there like bacon? Christopher. Hi, Christopher. Christopher, how are you doing today? I know, right? I'm usually a late riser, Christopher, so I tend to eat breakfast later than normal people because by the time I wake up at 10, 11, I'm eating breakfast now. It's never too late for breakfast, Christopher. What are you talking about? How are you doing, Christopher? Christopher, do you know that there's restaurants that serve breakfast all day? Yeah, all day breakfast. So you could eat breakfast anytime you wake up. Oh, you wake up at 5. Ooh, Christopher, that's early. 5 a.m. Oh, you're doing fine. That's good. Christopher, to be totally honest, I don't even know what time it's 5 o'clock because I'm in my bed. I go to bed sometimes really late, so I wake up later. And if I don't have to do anything that day, I sleep in because, I love to sleep in. DJ Matt. Um, well, I was born in the Caribbean, so I'm not, you know, so I'm from Trinidad and I reside here in Canada. It must be nice to be me. It must be nice to be anybody. Christopher, I'm just trying this out. What do you mean? I'm just trying, be myself. I'm Trini. Ooh, what part of Trinidad are you from, DJ Matt? Hit me with a, hit me with it. Oh, Christopher, you know something about doubles too? What is this? Oh, we got a Trini vibe going on here. Shut up, DJ. What part of Princess Town? I'm from Princess Town. I lived in Matilda, close to the water.